Hello guys, and welcome to the nursery. I'm going to run through a couple of bits the week of the trolley fair down in Kilkenny in Kildalton, and I just want to run through a few bits that I've got, and there will be more than this on display there, but I just picked a few bits from it to show you today. I'm going to start off with the Pulmonaria blue ensign. Again, it's an early flowering plant, so that it's suited to this time of the year. I have a second one there in a pink form, which is raspberry splash, and you can see there's a nice mottled colour on the foliage of that one. So both of those are very, very good at this time of the year. Also, what's very, very good at the moment is our Hellebores Niger. So they're fantastic quality at the minute, and they're really, really, really nice. Again, time of the year that it is for the likes of the scabiosa. So this particular one is blue butterfly, and you can see, look at the amount of heads that are on that, and they're all just, I mean, that's going to be a fantastic plant. There's a few more hellebores which I'll touch on. So I've got just the likes of the orientalis. So this particular one, you can see that there's a nice colour to the flower in that one there, and to go with it, I've also a few of the likes of these pirouettes. So again, another striking hellebore, and there's some nice foliage on the bottom of that as well. So they're again very, very nice this time of the year. Our alliums, of course, are starting to pop up now as well. So we've got the likes of this one here, which is Christophii. Naturally, I've got the Purple Sensation, which I don't have on display at the moment, and I've got this particular one, which is the Sphaerocephalon, which is a smaller head, very, very tight flower on that particular one. So nice bit of foliage on those. Travelling across with a few grass or grass-like plants as well. So I'll start with the Acorus ogon, which is this one here, and that's very, very nice foliage on that. I also have some very, very nice and attractive Astelia. So this particular one is Silver Shadow, so that's very, very nice as well. And just keeping the trend of the grasses, I suppose I have a nice little Deschampsia Tatra Gold here, which is looking exceptionally nice too. So they're all very nice at the moment. A new addition to the range this year will be the Fritillaria. So this particular one is Aurora. This is the big tall one. So again, keep an eye on the list, that's on there too. At the back here, I've a nice little favourite of mine, which is Lichnus. So this is Atrus sanguineus. This is fantastic in the garden, and the vividness of the flower is just phenomenal when it actually does flower. Then I suppose we'll touch on the poppies. So I've got some nice papaver. This one is Patty's Plum. I've Beauty of Livermere here to go with it, which is the lovely red flowering one. So they're very, very nice as well. Euphorbia again. So I've got the likes of Purpurea, and that's really, really nice as well at the moment. So this and that's just the normal purple flower now. For this year, as a start, I've done a couple of David Austin roses. So I've about 5 or 6 colours. You'll see them on the list. They're done in a 4.5 litre pot, nice anthracite colour, and done with a nice David Austin label. They're just accompanying our own range as we've had the last 2 years or so. So I've got a numerous colours in the Floribundas, the Patio, and the likes, Shrub roses. So they're all available as well in a nice pink pot there. There's also a few nice geums. The one I have here is a Mai Tai, which is a new one, and again, it's a very, very nice full plant. I've got a selection of lupins at the moment. So the likes of the Lupin Gallery Blue, I've got Gallery Yellow, White and Red, so they're all there as well, and again, they're very, very nice, very strong plants in those. So just going to finish up, well, actually I have 2 more. This particular one's Naughtia. This is Melton Pastels. I know that Mars Midget is out there as well, and it's also quite nice. So this is the multicoloured one, a couple of shades in that. I'll just finish up on the 1 litre alpines. I have 2 here that I want to show you. So I have a nice blue abretia there, and I have a lovely saxifraga, which is Peter Pan, and it's a nice tight head on them, and again, you'll see that there's an awful lot of flowers still to come on that. Now, they're not up yet, but they are will be there. So guys, that's the few that I just want to show you from the selection that I'll be displaying in Kildalton College on Tuesday. I hope an awful lot of you will be able to make it there, and look forward to seeing you and show the rest of the trolleys. So till next week guys, thanks very much.